Hi there guys, so in this video we'll see how you can create shortcodes in WordPress using the Shortcode API. So let's get started. What I have here is a WordPress installation and a demo plugin which we're going to use to write our WordPress code in. And I have this another tab open which is for the Shortcode API function documentation. I will link this in the video description so that you can look into it as well. Let's activate our demo plugin and then switch back to our code editor. So as you can see, it has nothing but plugin header, just registers it as a plugin. So the first thing you need to do is hook into the WordPress action, that is the init action function that is invoked instantly in the action itself. And then in this, we're going to be using the add shortcode function, which is via the WordPress API for shortcodes. So the first parameter it takes in is the shortcode name, which you're going to use at the front end or anywhere you're going to use it to output anything. Alright, so we can name it demo-shortcode. And then the second parameter is the callback. So basically, the function that will the shortcode use to output the data, right? So what we can do is we can simply do the same as we did here, function, and then directly write that down, or we can reference another function. So let's call it demo shortcode underscore shortcode. All right, and then let's close it, and then now we'll write our function demo shortcode. All right, okay, we just wrote it twice. Demo shortcode render, let's call it demo shortcode render, and then demo shortcode render in the function name. And then let's write the first thing, that is, so remember, a shortcode always returns doesn't echo. So if you were to echo something, it will throw an error in case you were trying to save it in such as block editor or anywhere else, right? So it always returns. So let's return hello world, because that's what you use to create tutorials, right? All right, so our shortcode is ready by the name demo-shortcode, and as you can see here, there are two important things to mention. That I am following this method. The shortcode name itself is using this hyphen separator versus the function names are using these underscore separators. So that is one thing to make sure that the function name should always use underscores, because hyphens don't work here. As far as I know, hyphens don't work in PHP, right? Let me try that. Yeah, that doesn't. All right. So that was a lesson for you. So let's now try our new shortcode. We'll create shortcode block, and here we'll write demo shortcode, right? And then we'll hit update and let's view post. As you can see, it says hello world. It has nothing right now, as you would expect, because this is hello world. All right, so this is a very basic shortcode. What if you want to maybe use parameters, attributes? So what you can do is any variable name here will be your attributes array, which will be anything provided in the shortcode will be available here. Let's, for example, let's use this wisely. We check for the attributes variable, and then we also check for a specific key which we expect it to be there, and check for prompt. Let's just say prompt, and then if it is, we take it into a variable called prompt, and then we return it right away. And then we'll just use interpolation to use the variable in string itself. All right, and then let's close this. Let's go back. Now in order to refresh it, you can see there's nothing, no change here. As you would expect, it works as it should. But when you were to provide it a prompt attribute, such as say main, alright, if you were to refresh this page again, you'll see that it is being interpolated in the string, right? Like we did here, return, and then in the same string we did this. But you can imagine all sorts of use cases for these shortcodes, as you would have seen in any WordPress theme or plugins. They do have many kinds of shortcodes. So you can imagine your use case and then create something that would fit your shortcode basic. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you found useful, please consider subscribing and liking this video so that others can see this as well. And I will be posting more content real soon. Thank you for watching this video again. Have a great day.